Introducing mixer training in FormAI. Our AI knows a lot, but it doesn't know everything. What about a product that hasn't come out, or a specific art style you'd like to use? Or what about your very own face? That's where mixers come in. Mixers are data sets trained on a series of images you provide. Share your mixer with creators, brands, or agencies to bring authentic, creative collaboration to new heights. Here's how it works. In FormAI, select Train Mixer. Choose between face, object, or art style. Drop your photos into the mixer, select a thumbnail, give it a name, and begin training. Once it's trained, head over to Text to Image and choose Spelly from the drop-down menu. Select your mixer and describe the image you want generated. Pick your prompts and watch your ideas come to life. With FormAI, your creativity knows no bounds. It's a game changer for influencer marketing, enabling you to create unique, personalized content like never before. Experience the power of mixer training today at IZEA.com/AI.